What is up, guys? Hope you're having a great day, because I'm having a great day, and if I'm having a great day, you are having a great, happy, amazing day. So today's video is going to be about a motorbike, and his name is John, and yeah. I know, no, I'm joking, but today we're going to be, me and my brother are going to be cycling the motorbike. I mean, motorbiking the motorbike, eh? Driving the motorbike, and yeah, hope you like it. Okay, guys, first of all, my brother's going to come up and then we're going to start a video. But I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up and a big subscribe and a like. And yeah, if you do, you will get a golden buzzer. So yes, hope you like it. And this is not my brother. He's only going up to drive with like 2 miles an hour, but still. Yeah, we're going to be doing it now. Hope you like it. Oh, boy. Anyway, go. Alright, that's my brother, lads. Go at him on Snapchat. His name is Daniel Costa 0. Only if you know him. If you don't know him, go away. Oh my god, there's a man over there, and he was looking at down with the bike, and he was like, he thought that he's going to do a burnout, but he never. Oh fuck! The cat conked. Go, bitch! Come on. Alright, guys, I'm next. Bye, bye. Actually, I'm not next. Wait till next time. Oh, skillage! I'm only joking. This is shit, man. Get off. Hi! You're in my YouTube video! Woo! Video done! Oh my god! Oh my god, are you okay, man? Oh my god, like, seriously. Okay. Perfect. Okay, guys, so that was the end of the video. Hope you liked it, and I kind of enjoyed it, but not really, because I had a shit attack on the bike with him. Wait, did we do it together? No. Anyway, I might do another video, I don't know, maybe like in a few days or something, I don't know. But anyway, I will be making another YouTube video tomorrow, and I hope you like it. And please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and a comment. And yeah, hope you like it. Bye. Peace.